Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor and DIY craft ideas. In this video, we present 18 cute animal figurine garden art ideas using stacked and glued stones that anyone can make. These delightful rock crafts add personality, rustic beauty, and whimsical charm to outdoor gardens and walkways. Don't forget to comment on your favorite design, like this video, share it with fellow craft lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring projects. Smooth oval river rocks can easily be stacked and glued together to craft a charming family of garden owls. Paint small white circles with dark centers for wide, curious eyes that instantly bring these rock birds to life. Nestled among garden plants or placed near a flower bed border, they create an enchanting rustic display. Arrange different sizes of stones side by side to represent parent owls alongside their sweet little owlets. Combine rounded green-tinted stones to form a cheerful frog perched atop a flat slate leaf. Two tiny bulbous pebbles placed on top of the head serve as prominent, expressive frog eyes. Positioning this glued stone figurine beside a pond or bird bath enhances its natural aquatic motif. A splash of clear outdoor sealant gives the stone frog a glossy finish that looks like morning dew. A large, smooth cobble forms the sturdy shell of an adorable sea turtle for your garden path. Four small oblong stones glued to the sides create flippers, while a rounded pebble acts as the head. Painting subtle geometric patterns onto the main shell rock accentuates its sea turtle features. Place this charming stone creature on a sandy garden border or pebbled walkway for maximum visual impact. Stack a medium round rock onto a larger oval base to create the head and body of a sweet bunny rabbit. Two long, slender stones glued to the top of the head instantly form distinctive upright rabbit ears. Add a fluffy white pom-pom or a small rounded pebble at the back for a cute cottontail finishing touch. Tucking this rock rabbit near leafy greens or vegetable patches brings playful energy to your garden yard. Arrange smooth river stones in a gentle, curved crescent shape to represent a sleeping guarding cat. A smaller round stone placed snugly against the body forms a serene resting head. Two triangular stone ships glued on top create subtle feline ears tucked in sleep. Set this cozy stone cat on a sunny patio brick or stone garden wall where real cats love to lounge. Glue a pointed triangular pebble to a broader rounded rock base to form an adorable hedgehog profile. Small textured pebbles or tiny stone chips stacked along the back simulate short spike quills. Paint a delicate black dot on the tip of the snout to give the hedgehog a curious nose. Placing this hedgehog figurine near wooden garden borders or rock gardens adds delightful rustic character. A smooth, flat river stone forms the crawling body of a whimsical garden snail figurine. Glue a thick, coiled, or rounded stone on top to serve as the snail's detailed shell house. Two tiny, upright pebble stalks on the front stone head create charming eyes that peek outward. Nestling this stone snail near potted plants or mossy ground cover brings quiet charm to outdoor spaces. Stack 2 smooth stones for the head and body to assemble a loyal dog figurine for your garden. 2 flat, oblong pebbles attached to the sides of the headstone form adorable floppy ears. A small black painted dot on the snout rock completes the cheerful puppy expression. Situate this stone canine near your front porch or walkway to give visitors a warm handmade welcome. Stack upright river stones to form a busy squirrel figurine sitting erect in your flower bed. Glue a curved, bushy-looking stone assembly onto the back to represent a fluffy squirrel tail. Place a tiny smooth oak acorn or miniature pebble between its glued stone paws for detail. Resting this pebble squirrel near tree trunks or bird feeders adds a realistic touch of nature. Select a smooth hemispherical rock and glue a smaller dark pebble to one end for the head. Paint the main rock body bright red with bold black polka dots to create an iconic ladybug appearance. Glue this colorful stone insect directly onto a prominent garden boulder or retaining wall rock. The bright contrast against green foliage makes this simple stone figurine a vibrant focal point. Stack a tall, dark river stone vertically onto a flat stone base to shape a standing penguin body. Glue a white painted belly stone or paint the chest white to highlight the penguin tuxedo look. 2 small triangular stone fragments glued to the sides serve as sleek penguin flippers. Placing a group of these stone penguins near water features or shaded gravel paths creates a playful scene. Combine reddish-toned pebbles and river rocks to form a clever garden fox in a resting pose. A pointed triangular stone acts as the sharp snout, while 2 small stone chips form erect ears. Attach a long, curved stone painted with a white tip along the side for a bushy foxtail. Tucking this fox sculpture in your garden shrubbery creates a delightful sense of woodland surprise. Glue a linear sequence of 6 or 7 round pebbles together to assemble an adorable crawling caterpillar. Elevate the front headstone slightly higher than the body stones to give the caterpillar lively motion. Paint bright rainbow colors or leafy green shades onto each individual pebble segment. Setting this pebble caterpillar along a garden wall ledge brings vibrant color to stone surfaces. Glue a round pebble head onto a sturdy oval body stone to form a timeless teddy bear figurine. 4 small rounded stones glued at the sides create cute chubby paws for the sitting bear. Attach 2 tiny round pebble chips on top of the headstone for classic bear ears. Placing this charming bear sculpture on a wooden bench or rock step warms up your garden decor. Stack smooth gray river stones to create a sturdy elephant figure with its trunk raised high for good luck. 2 large flat stone discs glued onto the sides of the head form majestic elephant ears. A gently curved long pebble attached to the front acts as the raised, lucky trunk. Positioning this elephant figurine at your garden entryway brings a welcoming symbol of wisdom and peace. Use rounded pinkish stones stacked together to build an adorable sitting garden piglet. Glue a flat circular pebble onto the front of the headstone to create a distinctive pig snout. 2 small triangular pebbles placed on top function as cute floppy piglet ears. Displaying this cheerful stone piglet in flower beds or potted arrangements brings immediate smiles. Glue small yellow-tinted oval stones together to form a sweet flock of garden ducklings. Tiny triangular orange pebbles glued to the headstones act as little duck beaks. Arrange 1 slightly larger stone duck in front to serve as the mother duck leading her brood. Positioning this duckling family near a garden stream or pond edge adds charm to the landscape. Assemble a small teardrop-shaped river stone onto a round base to craft a tiny garden mouse figurine. Glue 2 thin round stone slices onto the top of the head to form wide, cute mouse ears. Add a delicate curved wire to the rear for a tail and place the charming mouse among rock garden flowers. Thank you for watching our craft showcase, so please leave a comment with your favorite idea, like this video, share it with friends, subscribe to Garden Art Corner, and goodbye until next time.